Hey everyone, T.F.D back here. In this video here, we have this 97 2002 Toyota Avalon XL here, and it's been in, well, actually, you know what, let me tell you a short story of this thing. We had someone in our family where the two struts on the coil springs on the two struts broke, and so one day when she was turning the wheel, it popped the tire in the parking lot. So it was brought here, towed. We fixed that one. A little bit later, the next one broke, like not much longer. That one broke. So that's just one of the issues we've gone to address. And then this is where I'm going to make the video on. The exhaust on this has corroded really bad, so we're trying to fix that. And so I'm making this video on open headers on a V6. It's probably gonna be around 2,000 RPM when this thing starts, so this is gonna be pretty loud for me, but not for you guys. So this should be interesting. It's probably been a week since I last started it for the first time, and like since April, May, June, July, August, maybe? I know it was like fall or something when it was last started. Give it a second. Thing is gonna be really loud. Come on, warm up. I'm trying to get the RPMs down. Okay, here we go. Now it will get quieter once it warms up. one does not work. Get the rust off the brakes. engine was used in the Camrys and also the Siennas. So we're trying to find exhaust for a Toyota Camry, since it's really hard to find one, exhaust that goes at least down to right there for this car. So that's where we're at right now. So it's been up here for a while, but hopefully we can get there.